We were able to cut costs by $25,000 a year.
We also see Zoho Creator as the best option
to build a solution that fits our operational need. We are the ARC of Lehigh and Northampton counties. We champion a life of inclusion, opportunity, and equity for individuals with developmental and intellectual disabilities, or IDD. We're a nonprofit based here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, with approximately 60 staff here on site and 950 staff out in the community. Our day services offer both community-based and in-house programs.
This is our Spark Day program where we have individuals come throughout the day. They come in the morning and leave in the afternoon. Do an array of different activities with the individuals here at Spark. Arts, crafts, we have a sensory room. It is a person-centered philosophy here at the ARC where we allow individuals to choose the services that they would like to receive.
To provide opportunities for individuals to explore interests. They can develop more skills.
Our advocacy department at the ARC is totally funded by donors and is free of charge to individuals and family that have individuals with intellectual disabilities and autism. We provide multiple layers of support. We meet people where they're at and provide the resources that they need at whatever level that is.
We were spending considerably more time completing routine processes. The old system that we used, a canned product, several of our payroll tasks, which includes thousands of paper timesheets, mileage reimbursements, and progress notes, were all manual entries.
None of our systems were actually talking to each other. We didn't know whose individuals were receiving other services within the organization.
It became abundantly clear we needed a reliable system that could reduce errors, streamline some processes, replace a lot of our paper-based workflows because we had a lot of them. When we saw Zoho Creator, it definitely has given us the flexibility to build a solution that fits our operational need.
With the ARC's particular scope and requirements, the billing system was a proprietary build to extend Zoho Creator in terms of putting these claims together that can then be sought for reimbursement was a key factor to success. Not only could we then take those first couple of phases that we implemented and build out that payroll and time entry mechanism, but we needed to scale that into the billing portal. That way, reimbursement could be sought after.
We also use the Zoho Creator customer portal, and this allows our staff to clock in and clock out, log some mileage entries, enter services, enter notes. They can also request within there to make corrections to their time. And then that will then go right back to their managing employer for review and for approval. On the managing employer side, they can approve those time entries, and they also can submit their monthly progress notes, which are all required through this regulation.
Our main improvement by far was time spent on tasks. For billing, our finance department dedicated to inputting timesheets and checking the input. We've roughly spent over 80 hours per week collectively amongst the team to build a 2-week period of time. Currently, it now takes about 3.5 hours per week. And on the payroll side, it takes roughly 3 days to complete. So by far, that is phenomenal. This was a huge cost savings in personnel expenses and building space. We were able to cut costs by $25,000 a year making this change. On the flip side of things, we can import the payment files from Promise into the customer billing portal and automatically reconcile our claims.
It started out being payroll in time, just doing that, and then really moved into that monumental phase of EVV implementation.
At the time that we started thinking about going to Zoho Creator, there was a federal mandate that was passed for implementing EVV, or electronic visit verification. So we knew once that started, we definitely needed to come up with a solution.
The telephony system was a big piece when it came to the EVV part of the process, where an individual needed to be able to call in and not need to integrate with the Creator application to identify who am I, where am I at, what am I doing, and I need to be able to call back in and check that out as well. So there's a heavy dependency on that.
Zoho Creator is our main module that stores all of our information and data on all of our individuals, our managing employers, and the employees and staff. It also does include the EVV details as well as day services, the notes for what folks may have done throughout the day.
It's been a major advantage for us. In addition, Zoho Creator provides just robust data encryption, centralized data management, encrypting data in transit and at rest. Staff appreciates having one system to go to for their needs, whether it's data for grants, tracking information, running reports. These are all different modules in the system, and we built them transition from one module to the next. Hence the reason it took us over 5 years to put together what we have today, which is an extremely effective system. We're currently at over 99% compliance, which is a huge deal. User adaptation went from 10 to 75 plus users today. We're just shy of 1,600 customer portal users in terms of MEs, SSPs, pass-through, and drivers, which only a few short years ago, we were shy of 500 users. So I would absolutely recommend Zoho Creator to other businesses. Reason being that the platform offers a high level of customization. I've seen this platform meet every need that we've had, and I see it as the solution to grow with us as we grow because of its versatility, because of its scalability, which is extremely impressive in any platform that someone would choose to meet their needs today.